Hi, you are now watching the OTOP series on every Monday morning. And pay attention, there is no other media group like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp or WeChat that we share this market opinion. This valuable market opinion is only shared on every Monday morning in OTOP, only right here in YouTube. And this market opinion is going to help you do a wonderful stock pick after you do your homework. Stay tuned and I shall be right back. Hi, good morning to all the pals and welcome back to the OTOP series, and that stands for One Target, One Purpose for the episode 113, and today is the date 3rd of October year 2022, and once again we are back here on a Monday morning 9 a.m. Singapore and Hong Kong time to share with you a very important market opinions. Alright, and before we go on to what we want to share with you this week, let's, as usual, do a small revision on last Friday. All right, well, on Friday, which is the last trading day of September, Dow Jones closed with a loss of 500 points. All right, 500 points, and let's take a look here. And closing price was 28,725. All right, and this is the lowest since November year 2020 that closed below the 29,000 benchmark. And S&P 500 closed at a price of 3585 with a loss of 54 points. And across the board, Nasdaq also shed 161 points, closing price 10,575. All right, it looks like all the stock prices have been behaving weak, all right, in fear of 2 more rate hikes towards the year end. And gold prices also fell and closed at a price of $1,668 US per ounce, while silver closed at 19.15. all right, WTI crude prices closed at $79.74, just below the $80 per barrel. Well, before we move on to the market opinion this week, let us just prep everyone that this coming week there will be OPEC meeting. All right, OPEC meeting on Wednesday, and most likely the OPEC conglomerate will talk about continue to reduce the supply of crude oil prices, which likely will bring the WTI crude prices back to probably 82 or 84 US dollars per barrel. And of course, when that happens, we're going to see US dollar softening a little bit. US dollar index, I mean, softening maybe back down to 111. All right, from this current 112. Right, let's take a look at the revision on last week. All right, last week we actually shared our market opinion on GDXD, all right, which is the 3 times inverse ETF by thinking that the market will go up. All right, last week it was somewhere around here, $39, and unfortunately it came back down and closed at $21. For those people who are long in this inverse gold minus ETF, all right, you may cut loss if you want to, or perhaps if you are able to hold this stock counter back to anywhere between $24 to $25, that could be a good point to cut loss. All right, cut loss and get out while we look into new opportunity. All right, this week as we move on to OTOP 113, let's take a look at the US dollar trend, which is here. All right, US dollar trend here, as you see, the dollar index fell off 114 last week from the high, and closing price was 112.8 around Friday. And this week, most likely, we foresee the dollar index will continue to trade softer, perhaps back down to 111 or even 110. All right, 110. So what happened when dollar index softens? Most likely, we're going to see gold prices recovering and crude oil prices recovering as well, as what we mentioned about OPEC meeting in this week. All right, so assuming if dollar index is going to trade softer, we should be looking at gold mining stock this week or gold prices, and that's exactly OTOP 113 what we want to share with you. Right, let's take a look this week what we are going to share with you, and that's exactly 0358 Jiangxi Copper, which is a China state enterprise listing and trading in Hong Kong Exchange. All right, the stock code is 0358. Well, take a look here. All right, on last Friday, there was a turn up Okay, and the closing price was $9.089, and that's Hong Kong dollars. All right, most likely this week we're going to see a recovery of this stock back to above 950, so there's a small room on going up. Of course, even the whole on the midterm, then we have to bet on dollar softening continually when we're going to see gold prices or metal prices recovering, and that's when Jiangxi Copper recover. Right, let's take a look on the time scale of 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart, yes, it shows that, well, this stock could be bottoming out on the patterns, all right, and most likely once it converge on the EMA 4 and 20 line, we are going to see 950 to 970 Hong Kong dollars on per unit share price in the Jiangxi Copper this week. But anyway, well, I think it should eventually it should be hovering between this bottom of about $8 or $8.80 up to the top side on the triple top here, which is about $10.30. So coming week in the first 2 weeks of October, perhaps we're going to see continuous sideway of this Jiangxi Copper 0358 listed in Hong Kong, trading between $9 to $10. So you could make some quick profit by getting in about $9 and getting about $10, right? And that's for the OTOP 113 for the week 3rd of October year 2022. Stay tuned and come back to us next week. All right, DAR Wong Equity Time is always right here waiting for you on Monday morning 9 a.m. Singapore time. Bye bye, and I shall talk to you again.